Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start now, grab the genuine Apple magnetic charger and a different 5V USB adapter. Clean the watch back and charger puck with a soft, lint-free cloth and isopropyl 70%, gently so you don't scratch. Once done, align the puck to the center of the back plate. You should feel a magnetic click. Make sure the adapter is plugged into a known good outlet, not a USB hub, and try a second cable to eliminate a faulty wire. If charging still fails, force restart the watch by holding the side button and digital crown for 10 to 15 seconds until the Apple logo appears. Once it reboots, remove any case or metal bands that can block magnets and confirm the puck clicks to the center. Try charging the watch while powered off. This isolates software. While connected, gently wiggle the cable near the puck to check for intermittent contact. This tells you if the puck or cable is failing. Once hardware checks are done, update watchOS from the paired iPhone or, if needed, erase and restore the watch to rule out firmware faults. If it still won't charge, document what you tried, charger models, adapter type, and behavior, then test one more Apple magnetic charger if possible. If that fails, schedule an Apple Store or authorized service diagnostic. Make sure they run the charger and internal battery test. This single
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.